Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will start by preparing essentials, Xampp running and a clean WordPress folder in htdocs. Open the Xampp control panel and start Apache and MySQL. This makes your local server active. Next, go to phpMyAdmin, create a database, and write down the name, username, and password. You'll need these when configuring WordPress. Once done, extract WordPress into a subfolder inside htdocs, and make sure the folder name is the site URL you plan to use locally. You now edit WordPress to talk to your local database. Rename wp-config sample, php to wp-config, php and fill in db name, db user, and db password. db host stays localhost. Save the file and ensure table prefix is unique if running multiple installs. Make sure Apache modules like mod rewrite are enabled in Xampp. Restart Apache to apply changes. Also set file permissions on the WordPress folder so PHP can write uploads and plugin files. This prevents install time errors and keeps themes and plugins manageable. Finish by opening http://localhost/your folder in your browser and complete the WordPress installation. Create the site title and admin account. If you hit database errors, recheck credentials in wp-config. PHP and confirm MySQL is running. For plugin or PHP errors, enable required PHP extensions in Xampp and restart Apache. Check Apache and MySQL logs for specifics. One key troubleshooting tip: if permalinks return 404, regenerate. Htaccess by saving permalink settings and ensure mod rewrite is active, then refresh the page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.